Okay, we have our writing prompts this morning for March 18th. This can go right into your notebook. And I had mentioned that it would be a good thing for us to write about a goal. Goal setting is something that we started working on. And everyone, Adrielle has goal setting problems that she has been working on her e-learning. I have goal setting things that I need to do. So I want you to take a minute and think for yourself of a goal for today. Just one goal. You might have more, but we're going to think of one and write down one. Here is the date for your notebook, March 18th, 2020. And if you like to do the shortened version of the date, it's 3/18/2020.
Or you can do 3-18-2020.
Yep. What is your goal for today? Or for right after you finish watching this video, maybe what is the first thing that you would like to accomplish? When we talk about a goal, it's something that's going to move you forward, something that is going to challenge you, progress that you're going to get for yourself. So a goal is not something that you do every day. If I had a goal of feeding my cats today, you would probably worry about me and my cats, right?
Yeah.
That means that maybe I'm not doing that every day. You don't have a goal to wake up because you're doing that every day. So a goal is something that's going to make something better than it was yesterday. Does that make sense?
Yeah, like I have a goal to practice my handwriting every day.
Okay. Good.
You know, something like that.
At one point, you had a goal of learning a new word every day, right?
Oh yeah, so
That was-
I had a goal of learning one new word every single day.
And that was fun. That was an interesting
It
time.
was fun.
You can pause the video and work on your writing prompt, or you can just be thinking about that too as we move on to the word problems. First years, your giraffe problems. What? You can hold it. Do you want to? Why don't you sit right there for a second? A male giraffe weighs about 3,000 pounds, and an automobile weighs about 2,000 pounds. How much more does the giraffe weigh? Just hold that up there. You have to hold it without moving it. Thank you. Since this is the third day and I've shown you a little bit about these problems, we'll just talk about it for a second and see if you can set it up in your notebook. What words in here tells us what operation we're going to be using? We know with operations, if only I had a gold. Operations for word problems could be addition, could be subtraction, could be multiplication, could be division. So we need to look at the words in the word problems that tell us how to make our equation. How much more does the giraffe weigh? How much more is an important phrase. And it tells you there's going to be a difference in the numbers, and difference means subtraction. So see if you can set up your subtraction problem with the giraffe and the automobile. Let's move on to second years.
3,000 and 2,000.
Your grandma's birthday and this problem. And grandma is 53 years old. Grandma is 7 years younger than grandpa. How old is grandpa? Honey, you have to hold it still. There you go. Thank you. They can pause it if they need to look at it. So we have these two people. One is aged 53 and one is 7 years well, that's not what I meant to say, but yes. Grandma is 7 years younger than Grandpa, so Grandpa would be older, 7 years older. How old is Grandpa? Write your problem, your equation, how you get to this answer, your equation with these numbers rather than just the answer. So we're going to talk about, I'll erase my operations, that's okay. How old is Grandpa? This is again a difference in two people's ages. Say it with me. Difference.
Difference.
Means?
Addition.
Subtraction.
Oh, subtraction.
Yes. Difference means subtraction. So that's going to be a subtraction problem.
He's 7 years older.
Yes, you're right.
Grandma.
That is going to be an addition
Next
problem.
addition.
Because we don't know how old Grandpa is.
Yeah.
Okay, you're right.
it's addition.
So Grandma's age is 53. And Grandpa is 7 years older. Sorry about that. Third years. That's why Adriel's here to fact check me.
Yes, fact.
Third years. We are building a sandbox out in the yard. The bottom of the sandbox measures 6 feet by 6 feet. The sides are 2 feet high. So there's 2 questions for you regarding the sandbox today. Number 1, what shape is the bottom? And number 2, what shape are the sides? Just hold that up there. You can draw a picture for this if you want. You can put the measurements on as you see these arrows and the little numbers say 2 feet. There's an arrow, a horizontal arrow. The little number says 6 feet. So first you are looking at, think about a box, if you have one handy, right? The first question is asking you what shape is the bottom. The second question is asking you what shape are the sides. Cool. I think that's it. You have your writing prompt and you have your word problem. Just not yet. Just so you know, these word problems are all in a packet in the email from the first email on Monday. If you want to work ahead, there's 5 that say week 27. Today's Wednesday, so we're doing the 3rd one. Tomorrow we'll do the 4th and the 5th. But just in case you want to skip this video tomorrow and work ahead and do Fridays, that is fine too. Have fun and email me. You can email Adrielle.
Bye.
Maybe she'll answer. She's
My
not too
email's
busy.
aheradia@gma.k12.in.us.
Okay.
Hit
See
me
you
up.
later.
Bye.
Hasta luego.
Bye.